What's good, y'all? I just wanted to make this video because I have 100% confidence that this trade is going to hit. This is my ideal setup. I will walk you guys through what I see and why I am entering. Now, it is 1:55 p.m. Cali time, and as you can see, I am on the hour time frame. But the strategy works across all time frames, and could you say I'm breaking my rules? Technically, because I don't trade outside of 11 a.m. But for video purposes, I'm going to enter the trade. Now, of course, I'm not, recommending to break your rules, but I'll do it for you guys. Probably not the best thing to do, but hey, man. So what I see, with no indicators, just naked charts, I see bullishness. All right, and this is on the higher time frame. So if I see bullishness on the higher time frame, then I would enter whichever direction it's going. So if it's bullish, we are looking for buys. All right, so after I find direction, I try and find, just zones of interest or supply and demand. So I see a break right here. All right, a break above this wick. Boom. Okay. What was the last, because it's pushing up, I look for the last down move before the push. The last down move will be this gray candle right here. Pull that all the way out. Now I want price to break, which it did, and I want it to come back down and tap the zone. And what did it do? Exactly that. Now, once the zone is tapped, right? Usually, because I do scalp, usually I go down to the 5 minute. But because the setup is happening on the higher time frame, I'm gonna stay on the higher time frame. Okay. Now I do use this indicator, man-effect structure, just to give you guys, just to show you guys structure more quickly. So after the tap, so because I'm not dropping down and entering off of the higher time frame, I'm going to stay on the higher time frame. And so I pull out my EMAs. What I like to see is it drop below the blue, but never close below the green and go back above the blue. That is a great sign for me. So, here's the setup. This is literally what I see, and I'll show you guys the results when I hit TP or stop loss. All right, y'all, just a quick update. As you can see, we're in the trade, and this is how it's looking. Now, if I were to drop down to my lower time frames, I'm seeing breakup structures to the top side, which is good. 5 minute breakup structure to the top side. So I'm expecting it to retrace here a little bit because it just broke, and it might come down to test these EMAs again and then go right back up. So this is how it's looking so far in the hour. And I'll get back to y'all when more moves happen. What's good, y'all? As y'all can see, it played out just how it's supposed to, just like I knew it would. Now, I'm not gonna lie. Y'all know what time I got in the trade. It is 12:55 a.m. Now, it didn't just hit TP. I totally forgot I was in a trade, honestly. Like I said, I'm a scalper, so once I stop trading for the day, I do not look at the chart all day. And that's what I did. But I came back to TP hit. Mind you, I didn't set the TP, so wherever it's at now, that's where I took profit. So somewhere up here. Yeah, y'all, that's the trade. I've seen this play out too many times not to take it. I told y'all in the beginning of the video that this is perfect, and I have the utmost confidence in this setup. And as you can see, it played out. That's it for today's video. Hope y'all enjoy. Hope y'all learned something. And stay tuned for the next ones.